Hello, and welcome to the DeKalb County School District. Whether you're new to our district or recently moved within DeKalb and are ready to join one of our schools, we're so glad to have you with us. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to complete and submit the new student registration application. Step 1. Things to know. If your child is already enrolled and staying at the same school, you only need to complete the annual verification in the parent portal. However, if your child is new to the DeKalb County School District, you must complete the new student registration online. We invite you to visit the district's website. Visit www.dekabschools.ga.org/online-registration/. Before you begin, gather these documents: parent guardian photo ID, student's birth certificate, immunization form 3231, vision, hearing, dental and nutrition form 3300, social security card optional, school records, proof of residency, utility bill, lease, etc. Step 2. Accessing the application. Go to the registration website and click the blue button in the center of the screen to begin. The recommended browsers for accessing Infinite Campus are Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. At the top of the page, you'll see a language selection option. Choose your preferred language. Once selected, the system will automatically update to your chosen language. Next, select the school year your student will be enrolling in. For this case, choose August 2025 to May 2026. You'll need to provide your name and email address. It's important to enter a valid email address, as this is where the registration application link will be sent. You'll enter your email twice for verification. If the student has previously attended a DeKalb County school, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. Type the characters shown in the image, then click the blue Begin Registration button to continue. Check your email. You'll receive an email from Infinite Campus. This email will include your application number, a list of required documents for registration, and most importantly, a unique link to access your registration application. This is the only way to access your application, so be sure to keep this email. Click the link or copy and paste it into your browser. You'll be taken to a new screen where you'll select your language and enter your name to confirm that you are the student's parent or legal guardian. Click the blue Submit button to continue. If you already have a student enrolled in the district and a parent portal account, please log in to the parent portal. If you do not have a parent portal account, skip ahead to step 3 in this video. Log in using your username and password. If you've forgotten your login information, click the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link on the login page. You can also access registration from the parent portal. Click the 3 lines in the top left corner. Click More. Select Annual Verification. Under New Student Registration, choose the correct school year. Click Start, then Begin Registration. You'll then be asked to select your language and confirm your identity as the student's parent or legal guardian. Click Submit to proceed. Step 3. Filling out the application. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. You must complete each tab before moving to the next. Once the required fields in a tab are filled out, you can freely navigate between tabs. Always press the Save and Continue button at the bottom of each tab. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the application. Once you begin a tab, you must complete all required fields in that tab before saving. If using a mobile device, you may need to scroll left and right to view all fields. Step 4. Uploading documents. Click on the appropriate button to upload your document. Press Save, Continue. You will do this in 2 tabs: Student Primary Household and Student. As you complete the application, continue to click the blue Save and Continue button. Step 5. Release Agreements. You'll sign your release agreements using the Click Here to Sign button. Once complete, press Save, Continue. You'll sign your application by using the Click Here to Sign button. Be sure to click the Submit button. You'll see a confirmation screen and receive a confirmation email. Once you have submitted your application, you will see this screen. Please check your email for a confirmation message from Infinite Campus. Thank you for registering your student. If you need assistance, visit the district website or contact your school.